Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Nothing sets the stage for a cozy Christmas quite like a beautifully decorated mantle. But you don't need to break the bank or spend hours decorating to create that picture-perfect holiday setting. Today, we'll walk through simple yet stunning Christmas mantle decor ideas that transform your space into a warm winter wonderland. Get ready to cozy up and let's dive in. A charming mantle begins with a foundation of classic elements, garlands, candles, and stockings. But the real magic happens when you infuse these with personal touches. Start with a lush evergreen garland and add layers of warmth with pine cones, berries, or frosted branches. Want to go rustic? Incorporate a burlap ribbon or wooden beads. For a more elegant look, intertwine some twinkling fairy lights. Remember, your mantle tells a story. It should reflect your style and the warmth of the season. While red and green are Christmas staples, don't be afraid to explore. A palette of whites and golds creates a serene, sophisticated vibe, while blues and silvers add a frosty, enchanted feel. Want to keep it neutral? Mix white, beige, and light wood tones with small pops of greenery. These combinations create a cozy atmosphere that feels both festive and fresh. If you're loving these cozy Christmas mantle tips, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button for more festive inspiration. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite Christmas decorating ideas or traditions. Layering is key. Place tall candlesticks at varying heights, mix in shorter votives, and balance with small decorative pieces like miniature trees or framed holiday prints. This creates visual interest and depth. If you have a mirror above your mantle, use it to your advantage. Reflections of lights and decorations make the space feel larger and more magical. Sometimes, the most charming decorations are the simplest. Wrap empty boxes with festive paper for easy, stylish gifts on your mantle. Fill mason jars with fairy lights or cranberries for instant warmth. Want to get the kids involved? Make homemade garlands from popcorn, dried oranges, or paper snowflakes. These easy DIYs add a personal touch and can become cherished family traditions. No mantle is complete without stockings. Whether you prefer classic red, knitted neutrals, or personalized monograms, stockings bring warmth and nostalgia. Hang them with decorative hooks or drape them slightly over the edge for a casual, inviting look. Don't forget to add a central focal point, a wreath, large mirror, or oversized artwork. This anchors the mantle and draws the eye. Bonus points if you coordinate it with your tree decor. Your mantle isn't just a decorative space, it's the heart of your home during the holidays, a place where memories are made. Whether you keep it simple with greenery and candles or go all out with themed decorations, let your personality shine. This season, embrace the warmth, magic, and simplicity of Christmas. With just a few thoughtful touches, your mantle can become the cozy, festive focal point of your holiday home.